What's up, you guys? So today I wanted to go over Micron stock. Yeah, so Micron currently is Wall Street's darling. Analysts all across the board are recommending buy, and if they're not recommending buy, they're recommending strong buy. If you don't know, Micron is a memory chip maker. They make memory chips for computers, cars, phones, things of that nature. They also are in storage devices, um, and they also have a play in artificial intelligence. So if you are someone who believes that artificial intelligence is going to be a big thing in the coming future, then Micron might be a stock for you to want to look at. So, needless to say, oh, not only that, they just announced recently that they're doing a $10 billion share buyback, which is usually only done when companies are doing well and they feel as though the price of their stock is undervalued. So, needless to say, everybody and their dog is telling you to buy this stock. But does that mean you should just log into your trading account, look up Micron, and just hit the buy button at whatever price it's currently at? I don't believe in that. So let's hit the charts and let's find out what would be a good place to buy this stock. So, ticker symbol Micron, ticker symbol MU. Currently, we are looking at a what is this? A 3-year, yeah, 3-year weekly chart. All right. So, if you've watched my videos on Zillow technical analysis, you know I like to draw out the ebbs and flows to kind of make all these different candles and all that stuff, just kind of just put it together and make it look a lot cleaner. So we start initial starting point, new structure high. Hold on. All right. Outside return or pullback, whatever you want to call it. New structure high, outside return, new structure high, and we also have an outside return here, but before I draw that in, I want to point out that we do not have a new structure high just yet. What I consider a new structure high is an actual close above the previous high. So we have wicked up to that high, but we have, or wicked higher than that high, but we have not closed above it. So we're currently sitting around this level. All right, so where would be some places I'd be looking to buy? Well, we're currently, technically, in a way, we are in the buy zone. So, am I saying this is a good area to buy? Yeah, maybe. We could probably get a better buy on this, though. We could probably map something out just a little bit better. So, let's throw the fibs on here, right? And we can see that we have already tested the 382% retracement level. So, if you bought in on the 382, good for you. But I think there's potential that this stock may actually drop a little more because if you look, let's take this out so you can see it a little better. If you look, you can see that we are currently putting in a double top formation. So you could see some bears come into this market and take this thing lower. And if it did go lower, the best area I'd be looking to buy would be this 618 retracement level. So about 52, 50s or so around that level. So if price came down to about that level, definite buy. Definite buy in my scenario. So yeah, if you wanted to buy currently, yeah, I wouldn't say I wouldn't say that's too bad. You know what I mean? I would say that's justified. Okay. But like I said, the 618 would be the better buy. So now that's the place to buy. But here's another thing. See, if you see my video on Zillow, Zillow is currently sitting near its all-time high. Since IPO, it's sitting near all-time highs. This stock, however, is not. This stock has been higher in the past. So let's go back And let's take a look at that. And when I say let's go back, I mean we got to go back. 20-year weekly chart. Boom. All right. So you can see this stock has been as high as $97.50. All right. Now, here's the thing. This stock has a area that I'm looking that if I was to be a buyer anywhere within this area, I'd be looking to be a seller at a certain area as well. And you can see that here. Let's just draw this out for you real quick. Let's say this is our starting point. New structure high, outside return, new structure high. Looking at this area, we have resistance, we have support. Now we can go ahead and remove all of that. All right. So, all right. With this, you can see that our support level acted as resistance after we broke through there. And then let's jump back to present day, and you can see that that same level acted as resistance not too long ago, back in November of 2017. So as you can see, even though, oh wait, I didn't point that out neither. Even though all this back here was back in 2000, this was back in the 2000s, okay? So we're 18 years back on this chart, and still, even though this is all this area of resistance was about 18 years ago, you can see that it still acted as resistance just not too long ago. So with that being said, we have a resistance level from way back then at $70. So if you buy this stock, I would definitely be very mindful of the $70 range, because you could see some strong selling pressure come into this stock around about $70. Now, that's not guaranteed. There could be the price of the stock could be near $70 and then have a stellar earnings report and just jam this thing through the roof, right? It could do one of these moves, right? Say the price of the stock is currently at around about 67. Then a stellar earnings report happens. Boom, the stock just blows straight through it. And then you're like, oh, okay, well, where is it? Could this pull back? And where could it pull back? Boom, pull back, and then it just rips higher. So it may not actually be one of these moves where it hits it and then holds resistance, and then now we just go into some consolidation and whatever like that. That may not actually happen. It may just break through, but I'd still be mindful of that $70 range. So if you're buying the stock, keep $70 in your back of your head as a possible potential selling point, or if you're looking to hold this long term, just understand that it may be some bears coming into the market around about that price. So hold on tight. All right. But yeah. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. So yeah. Anyway, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Got any comments, questions, whatever, drop them below. If you really like the video, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.